Veena ji is going to give us a glimpse into the culture of Rajasthan, the music, the dance, etc. So you'll get a chance to see what she was talking about and what she was singing about. So Veena ji, I'll hand over the mic to you.
Veena, lower the mic stand for her.
Oh, okay. Yeah, her presentation.
No, bring this stand down.
Oh, you want to hold it? Okay, it's up to you. I thought this would be a podium. You don't want the podium? No? Okay. So then you put it on the side. Doesn't mean. Because if you
आपने देखा कि नायिका की प्रार्थना राम जी ने स्वीकार कर ली। इस खुशी के अवसर पर नायिका नायक से कहती है कि मेरी चुनरी कितनी चमक रही है और मेरा दिल धक धक कर रहा है। तब नायक नायिका से कहता है कि तुम कितनी सुंदर हो, आओ तुम्हें बोडला बनवा देता हूँ और तुम्हारी नथनी को रत्नों से जड़वा देता हूँ। आपने देखा कि
This is the wrong one. You want to go in office? Why don't you go downstairs?
Yes, this is the right one. Let me just tell. We are starting from Rajasthani food, and Rajasthan is a small state, but you can find
I don't think we
different
can
type
play
of
it.
food,
Unless you
and
can-
it's like bhujia, ghevar is a sweet, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, pickles, and one is very famous in Rajasthan which called thali. So this is one of the Rajasthan special. It's called namkeen sev. It's like a little spicy and made with the gram flour. This is like all the different snacks they put down like in cone. Over here we put down the ice cream, but in India Rajasthan they put down all these different spices called like chaat, cone chaat. This is one of the lovely sweet which is very popular only and only in Rajasthan. You will not find anywhere else in India because something is special over there in the water which makes. This is one of the, I think it's a tandoori chicken, I'm not sure, but it's one of the curry mix with all the different spices. This is called jalebi. They make in purified butter, and you can see the guy, he put down the stuff in the piece of clothes, and he's making like that. So it's like a round, and then they put in the sugar. So it's sweet. This is one of the pickle, which mostly people eat with the Indian naan, or you can mix with the bread also over here, or pita bread or anything, but it's a little spicy. So here is one of the small example of just a chutney, and it's like makai ki roti, which mostly people eat in the village. So this is basically like very pure village food. This is different types of pickles. As you see, one is the carrot, one is the, it's called like gond, and all the different vegetables pickles. So this is one of the picture thali. It's like all the different vegetables in that. You can see how the people eat in India when we have the guest. This is the type of the food we serve. We have like 4 or 5 different veggies. We have sweet, we have yogurt, we have rice, papad, curry, and this is the very typical thali in India when we have the guest or even in the home or even any occasion. So here is a little bit detail about Rajasthani fairs and festival. Again, Rajasthan is small, but there are so many festivals, and we have mostly like 5 or 6 places Jaipur, Jodhpur, Ajmer, Pushkar. We have the Pushkar fair, like she just said a while ago. Jaisalmer is also very popular. Udaipur is like Rajasthan, Kashmir. This is one of the camel fair in Pushkar as well as in Jaisalmer also. So how we decorate all the camels, you see that the people also have, like, they are dressed up also, and the camel are dressed up with the color. I don't know how many people you know, Rajasthan is mostly known as a color, like I'm wearing a lot of color and she's wearing a lot of colors because we from Rajasthan. So here's just a small, that is actually in Jaipur and they are playing the polo, which is very popular game also used to old kings used to play. This is one of the puppet show. Probably in one of the village, it's like fairs. Here is the elephant, and this is like colors, lot of like, you know, we have in a march, which she just says unholy time. So this is all the colors we play on the march. Here is one of the Rajasthan, in Jaipur, is like one of the main market. That is the Udaipur ka Pichola, where we have one of the festivals, so everybody goes in a boat. Here is Jaisalmer. You see all these people are with the camels, all the villagers, and we have a lot of visitors over there also. This is one of the market we call Bazaar, is one of the village. They are, you know, they selling few different things. So now we are coming to the folk dances of Rajasthan. We have a different type of folk dance, but one is very popular, which is Khalbelia, and they usually dance like a snack. So you will see in a little while. It's called like Chakri dance, Gay dance, Kachigudi dance, Khalbelia musician also, and Thali dance. So this is one of the picture from the Khalbelia. As you see, the girls are wearing like very big ghagra, like here they are they having like gada is called, with a little bit fire on that, and they are dancing with that, with all the colorful clothes. As you see, here is another one. So again, what I just said, Rajasthan is full with the color. So here you see all these colors in their clothes also. And this is the guys and girls. They both are dancing together. Here is another one. Again, you see their dresses, how big their dresses is. And they are holding very nicely and they are playing with that, with the sticks. This is one of the king, actually, they are, I'm sorry, I cannot see the clear also. Here is the Khalbelia. That's the, pretty much is the Khalbelia outfit and Khalbelia dance. That's another one. That also another one with the Khalbelia. They are actually musicians, and they have to hold their breath for a long time. This is one of the peacock dance. Again, you see many colors on their outfit. Here is also one of the Khalbelia's dancers, and she is doing like sort of like a snack dance. That one of the village women's. Again, many colors in that, and you can see all the jewelry also, what they're wearing. So now we are coming to the Rajasthani handicrafts. Rajasthan is very rich state of India in terms of the handicraft items. So now you will see few different presentation, like a blue pottery, camel bones, copper, bangles, shades. Here's one of the example of the parts with all the design, and again, many design they do by the hand also. This is with the camel bone. Look at the beautiful art. Everything is handicraft made by hand. This is one of the patta we call, or patla we use in puja, like when we do the prayer and all the other stuff. This is the things we use. This is one of the puppet. India in Udaipur is very popular for the puppet show. This is all the colorful different bangles. Again, you see multicolor in the bangles also. Here is one of the handicraft items. Again, pretty much everything made by hand. It's like old-fashioned way, like books or keeping the record, or sort of like a diaries. Beautiful, lovely lady in statue. Some few other items in handicrafts. Now you can see the picture how this guy is using the sand and water and making the sort of like a pot. This guy is selling the puppets. Again, many colors puppets also. And in the behind you see the big palace. These are the pictures from the old princes, and they are holding one of the lady statue. This is, they used, in the old time, the king used to hold these things. This is one of the sample, all the different shoes in Rajasthan. Again, these all made by hand, and it's called juti, colorful. These are some bags and some pillows and some different items. They just king, the person on elephant is taking king, so they just put down in as a handicraft item. So now we are going to Rajasthani fort and palaces. Rajasthan is very popular with the history and so many forts over there and so many palaces. And especially in Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Ajmer, Bikaner, these all the small cities, and you will see the beautiful, lovely lake palace over there. Hawa Mahal, Jaisalmer is very popular, also one of the Haveli. Now you will see the few glimpses from the different palaces. See that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palaces over there, and the beautiful thing, people are still maintaining over there. The government is still taking care, even though they are thousands and thousands years old. And if you see all these handicraft over there done by hand, small art, it just, your eyes doesn't even get blank over there. It's beautiful, lovely art. Look at that, how big and how beautiful and how clean are they. This is inside of one of the palace, and they just showing like, the old couch, chairs, tables, and how used to all. This is the one of the lovely place in Udaipur. It's called Pichola Lake Palace. So palace is behind that. This is Jaipur ka Hawa Mahal. In Jaipur, if you go, it's purely in red color, and it's called Hawa Mahal. This is one of the place in Udaipur. Here's another one. It is right in the lake. It's called Lake Palace, and it is in Udaipur. And you need to do advance booking at least for 6 to 8 months before you go over there. This is Chittorgarh. I don't know how many people are watching the serial right now, Maharana Pratap. That is the place. It's inside the place. You see all these like colorful art. It's called like Meenakari, made with the different oil paint and different colors. So here is another beautiful, lovely place made with the entrance gate. That is one in the Bikaner. Here's another example in Udaipur. This is they just showing how the city looks like from the top of the fort. This is like one of the places in Jaisalmer. So you see on the top 3 windows, the old time the queen used to come and they used to look from the window. This is Chittorgarh, like a big, like a tower over there. Now we have all the different jewelry coming from Rajasthan, and jewelry also again, Jaipur, Jodhpur, all the different like Marwari style of the jewelry, you will see that. So we have the bone necklace, coin chain, color stone jewelry, stone necklace. One of the special made in only in Rajasthan, which is called Kundan. So Kundan jewelry, lakh bangles. So you see all these different designs and art from Rajasthan. It's beautiful. The people still wear in the villages. The ladies, if you go in village, you still see the people, ladies are still wearing those things. Beautiful, lovely necklace with all the different color stones. And it's very, very, very expensive. This is made with the diamond and all these color stones. Lovely. Look at the bangles. This is made with the kundan. You see the white stuff in that, the white color stone? That's the kundan. Again, all the earrings and putting in the hand and necklace, rings. This is made with the lakh. It's the special things in Jaipur. We have many artists over there. This is different type of ring, which pearl and it's a necklace with the different beads, the colors. All these different color stone, as you see, pearl and everything. So now we are coming to the pilgrims, which is Rajasthan. Very popular, very ancient and very different, and one is very popular, Pushkar. Many people goes to the Pushkar, and Ajmer is also Dargah. So now we have Chandgarh temple, we have Dilwara, which is in Mount Abu. We have a Karni Mata temple. So you see again, beautiful, lovely art. Anytime when you go to the India, and especially in any temple in Rajasthan, people are working over there every minute. So this is everything made by hand, and you see all the different art. This is one of the places in Ajmer, which is Dargah. So many people, if they are watching Jodha Akbar, that's the place. You see all these Ajmer and the temple. This is one of the temple in Udaipur, Ranakpur, and Dilwara. If you see the art, it's a beautiful art over there. Here's the people are outside at the temple. This is the gate where you see all these guards they put down on the gate on small windows. It's just one of the city. Again, in the city also you see the different colors. There's not only one. This is one of the inside temple, as you see the very fine art. This is one of the Jain temple. Again, all the different temples, and if you look very closely, it's very fine art. Now, Rajasthan is also very famous and popular for the textiles. Again, it's the hand block printed and different colors, rug weaving. traditional spinning wheels, textile in Jaipur, saris, all the different embroidery. So now this is one of the block painting, which usually they have on the bed sheets or even on the any type of the clothes like pajama or all these. Now you see this guy is actually waving every strings on one of the tools. So all the strings are like hanging on that. So this is made by hand. As you see, these ladies, they are standing and they feel so proud they made it. All the different colors, many colors. This is one of the shawl, which you can use in the winter time. But the beautiful things is mostly made in cotton, pure cotton. So this is one of the things where, you sit down on that. This is carpets. Again, you see the different colors. It's bed sheets, all the different bed sheets with many colors. And here is the people are selling all the different shawls and bed sheets. And here are people are buying all the different stuff. So this is one of the charka. I don't know how many people, I'm sure everybody know Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi used to use this charka to run the cotton, and he used to make the clothes. This is one of the design print on the clothes. And now Rajasthan is also very popular for the wildlife. So you will see in few tiger, leopard, all these different animals. And so here you see few examples like Indian tigers. Also in Ranthambore is one of the place in Rajasthan. So there is a safari also. So when you go to the Rajasthan, go to the Ranthambore, and there is all the deers you see. So here is a few different colors of bird. In Rajasthan again, if you go to the Ranthambore or if you go to Chittor, you may find some deers and some lions over there and some tigers. All the different colors of birds also. You see the tiger, leopard. So now here you see they are actually going in car and taking a ride. Pretty much it's over. Thank you very much. If anybody have any questions, certainly you can ask. But that was a presentation actually I prepared on last March in Holi time. So here we go. This is the second time I'm presenting that. Thank you again. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.
Veena ji, thank you very, very much. Please give her a very big hand. We are extremely grateful for Veena ji for coming because her mother's not feeling well and she has to rush from here to the hospital, and all these days, every single evening she's been going to visit her mother, and we pray that she gets better. And like I said, next year we're celebrating Holi with Rajasthani, Rajasthani style. And those of you who want to see the Kalbelia dance, it was performed at the India Center a couple of years ago. So the videotape is on our website, so they'll get to see the dance even if they didn't get to see it today. And we were actually originally supposed to do a fashion show with Rajasthani clothes, but we couldn't get everybody because of the whole Thanksgiving weekend and things like that. But next year we'll definitely do that. Thank you very much, Beenaji. Thank you.